If you need to make 1,000 Rand this week here in South Africa, I'll show you free methods that actually work. No fluff. Find unpriced items, clean them, and resell the same day. The next method is even faster. Offer same-day services like cleaning or washing cars. Most people ignore this, but it's the easiest to start with zero money. Sell digital products like CV templates. No stock needed. Flip items, offer services, or resell digital products. Pick one. Check the link below for the full system to 10,000 Rand. Subscribe for more.